All these people in line right here. We're going to climb a special hike. We're going to go all the way to the peak of that mountain right there to get a view looking down at Machu Picchu. Well, after a very enduring hike straight uphill, we made it to the peak of Huayna Picchu. And you can see as I do a pan around here how amazing this place is. This goes all the way over. And you can see over here the winding road. This is the road we took the bus up to Machu Picchu, which is right there. Just an absolutely amazing, amazing view. So now we entered this tunnel. In order to get to the top, we have to go through it. It's not too bad right here, but as we get further, I have to bend over in video. It's quite hard to do video at the same time. But anyway, so we go through here, and we have this little narrow part here that we have to kind of go sideways up. It's better to have two hands, but I want to get video to share with everybody. So, now we go up. Whew. This altitude really does a number on you. But, and then when you come out, this is what you see. It's all worth it. It's amazing. Well, here we are in the peak of Huayna Picchu, and I will spin around and you can see I'm right on the tip of this peak. This is the highest point you can go, right here. And I'm going to come up and pan and give you a 360 view from the peak. Look at that, there's Machu Picchu. I'm going to spin around here carefully. And here's the small group of people that came up today. We're all at the peak enjoying it after a quite torturous walk in the thin air. And we're here. Well, here's another view of Machu Picchu. I'm working my way down from the peak. There it is right there, the famous spot. Amazing view from up here. And I'll pan down. There's the winding road that goes there, which is quite a scary ride. And here's all the people going straight down on these stairs to go back down. What an amazing place. So here we are, the stairs that go straight down. It's quite tricky to go down these stairs. It's extremely, extremely steep. You can see the people way down there. And I'm only going to video this for a moment because it's quite hard to video and go straight downstairs. But I want to take the viewers along with me, see exactly what this is like for those of you who aren't able to make it here. Now this is not Machu Picchu, this is part of Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is over there, and that's where you can take buses. There's not too much hiking involved. But I was just at the peak called Huayna Picchu, which takes about an hour, hour and a half straight up the side of Huayna Picchu mountain. And you saw some scenes earlier when I was at the peak. So this is how it ends as I go down, way down there. somewhere. And then it winds back down, and then it goes back over to Machu Picchu. And then it's time to get some rest and drink lots of water.